Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to earn more credits in World of Warships. Credits are the main currency used to buy ships, upgrades, and modules. So earning them efficiently is very important. So credits are these right here. And what you have to do to get a lot in a single game is first deal damage and play well in battles. The more damage you do, and the more you help your team, the more credits you earn. Second, let's go back to port here real quick. Second is to use premium ships if you have them. Premium ships are ships that have the golden name or the golden logo. Premium ships earn more credits than regular ships and are great for farming. It's because premium ships have economic bonuses already applied to them. For example, this Smith, a tier 2 destroyer, gives 5% bonus credits. Third, use economic bonuses that increase credit income. For example, we go here to my main battleship. We click on this, and then as you can see here, these are the economic bonuses. They give you extra credit after each battle. Fourth, get a premium account if possible. It gives you more credits and XP per match. To get premium account, you have to spend real money. And then fifth, complete daily missions, combat missions, and events. These often reward extra credits as well. Sixth, play higher tier ships carefully. They earn more credits, but they also have higher repair costs, so play well to avoid losses. Seventh, join a clan. Clan bonuses can increase your credit income as well. And finally, avoid unnecessary expenses. Don't mount expensive upgrades on ships you rarely use, and manage your inventory wisely as well. That's it. Deal damage, use bonuses, play premium ships, and complete missions to stack up credits in World of Warships. That is how to earn credits in World of Warships.